Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome back to the channel. You're watching the Revkid. What a lovely, bright, sunny day. Perfect for a motovlog. Today is going to be an exciting day because we are taking a trip down memory lane with the legendary Yamaha R15S 2015 model. This motorcycle needs no introduction as it has earned its reputation as a true beast on the roads. But this doesn't compromise on the suspension. The suspension setup on the R15S is a good balance between comfort and sportiness. It provides sufficient feedback while absorbing bumps and irregularities on the road. I love the seating posture on this bike. It's like not too aggressive, not too straight, just perfect. You can easily go on tours on this bike, and also the single seat on this will definitely make your pink and happy. I hope they open up the metro soon. That would reduce the traffic on this road drastically during the office hours. It's empty now, but during the office hours, it's a complete chaos. Man, Kolkata looks beautiful. I don't know why it makes me so happy going around this diversions. Every time I see this diversion, my brain is like, hey buddy, go around this, it will be fun. Uh oh, someone got busted. Anyway, coming back to the bike. It's a really fun to ride bike. Filtering through traffic is super easy with this. Everything about this bike is perfect. The styling, the way it sounds. This bike is 8 years old and there's almost no vibrations. That's Japanese engineering, my friend. And how can I forget? It is the god of mileage. Thanks to the owner for letting me ride this beautiful machine. This bike is very well maintained, almost rides like a new one. So that's all for today. Hope you guys love the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. This is Revkid signing off. Thanks for watching.